Welcome to Fun English for Kids. Hello, my smart friends. Today, we will learn the English letters from K to Z. Each letter has a fun word and a cool sentence. Let's learn and speak together. K, K, K. Kite, kite, kite. My kite flies high in the sky. My kite flies high in the sky. L, L, L. Lion, lion, lion. The lion roars loudly in the jungle. The lion roars loudly in the jungle. M, M, M. Monkey, monkey, monkey. The monkey swings from tree to tree. The monkey swings from tree to tree. N, N, N. Nest, nest, nest. Birds sleep in the nest at night. Birds sleep in the nest at night. O, O, O. Orange, orange, orange. Jana drinks fresh orange juice every day. Jana drinks fresh orange juice every day. P, P, P. Pencil, pencil, pencil. Miriam draws pictures with her pencil. Miriam draws pictures with her pencil. Q, Q, Q. Queen, queen, queen. The queen wears a shiny gold crown. The queen wears a shiny gold crown. R, R, R. Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. The rabbit hops fast on the grass. The rabbit Hops fast. On the grass. S. 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 Sun. 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 The sun shines bright in the morning. The sun shines bright in the morning. T. 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 Tiger. 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 A tiger walks slowly through the forest. A tiger walks slowly through the forest. You. 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 Umbrella. 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 Sarah holds an umbrella in the rain. Sarah holds an umbrella in the rain. V. 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 Van. 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 We ride in the van to school. We ride in the van to school. W. 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 Watch. 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 I wear a red watch on my hand. I wear a red watch on my hand. X. 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 Xylophone. 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 I play music on the xylophone. I play music on the xylophone. Why? 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 Yellow. 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 The sun is big and yellow today. The sun is big and yellow today. Z. 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 Zebra. 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 A zebra has black and white stripes. A zebra has black and white stripes. Choose the correct word. One. It's an apple. Orange. Umbrella. It's an umbrella. It's an umbrella. Two. It's a tiger. Cat. Zebra. It's a tiger. It's a tiger. Three. It's a kite. Lion. Rabbit. It's a kite. It's a kite. Four. It's a kite. Lion. Rabbit. It's a lion. It's a lion.